Hello everyone and welcome to the YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about some of the most fundamental Arduino functions. First, we will see the PinMode function. Second, we will see DigitalWrite function, and at the last, we will see the delay function. These functions are the foundation of almost every Arduino project, whether you are controlling LEDs, motors, buzzers, or any other sensors. Understanding this function will help you to build your own Arduino projects, automation projects, and robots and smart devices. So let's get started. First, we will see the pin mode function. This function is used to set up how a pin will behave, whether it will act as an input or output. For example, if you are connecting an LED, the pin on the Arduino board must be set as an output so that it can send signal to turn the LED on or off. Similarly, if you are connecting a sensor like a temperature sensor, motion sensor, or any other sensor, the pin should be act as an input so that it can receive data from the sensor. Okay. Next, we will see the syntax for the pin mode function, that is pin comma mode. Here pin is the pin number that you want to configure, and mode, it can be input, output, or input pull-up. Input used to when receiving data from a sensor, output used when controlling devices like LEDs or motors, and input pull-up used to enable internal pull-up register for most of the buttons and switches. If we want to turn an LED on or off, we need to set its pin as an output using pin mode function. Okay, let's see how we use pin mode function. Here pin mode 13 comma output 13 pin number 13, which is a inbuilt LED pin on the Arduino board, and it is act as an output. So we have written here output. Okay, next we will see the digital write function. We have set the pin mode, and now we need function to control the pins output. Okay, that's where digital write comes in. This function is used to send high or low signal to the digital pins. High signal means the we send 5 volt supply, and low signal, that means the we send 0 volt supply to the digital pin. It allows us to turn components like LEDs, buzzers, or motors on and off. Next, we will see the syntax for the digital write function, that is pin and value. Pin which we have to use from the Arduino board, and the value, it can be high or low. High means used to turn devices on, and low used to turn on the, of the devices. Next, we will see how we use the digital write function. See here, we have written here 13 comma high. That means the LED pin that is turned on the LED. Next, we will wait for 1 second, and again we turn off the device, and again we wait for the 1 second. Okay. Next, we will see the delay function. This function is used to pause the execution of program for a specific amount of time, and it is measured in millisecond. For example, if you want an LED to blink every second, you need to introduce a delay between turning it on and off. Now see syntax for the delay function, that is delay, and in the bracket we have written here ms, that means the time duration in millisecond. Okay. Now see how we use delay function in the program. We have turned on the LED. Next we wait for 1 second, and again we turn off the LEDs, and we use delay function. It means it wait for 1 second. Okay. So in this video we learn about pin mode function, digital write function, delay function, which are essential for controlling electronic components with Arduino. These functions are the foundation for building bigger projects like smart automation and robotics and smart devices. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Arduino tutorials. Thank you.